Hey, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed it's gotten a little bit harder to stand up from a chair lately? Or maybe your legs, they feel a little wobbly when you're, say, walking across the kitchen floor? Well, it just so happens that that's not just in your head. It's not just getting older. That's your muscles sending up a little flare saying, hey, we're about ready to check out right now. But here's the thing. You can do something about it, and you don't need to join a gym. You don't need to wear spandex or even leave your living room. Today, I'm going to show you a quick seated leg workout that helps stop muscle loss in its tracks and starts rebuilding strength right where it matters. So before we continue, you gotta meet Charlie because he's gonna be popping in and out a lot. He's my partner, he's my buddy, and he's with me all the time. And I'm a big, big fan of having pets in your life. I'm Andy, I'm 77, I'm a cancer survivor and a certified fitness instructor and the creator of the 5BX60 program based on a high performance program created for military pilots and transformed into a smart 11-minute routine that works for people just like us who want to stay active and capable at any age. I lead group classes for older adults every week, and trust me, this whole, I feel weaker, but I don't know why thing, it comes up a lot. And what you're feeling is called sarcopenia. It's muscle loss that kicks in as we age, especially in the legs. But the good news is you can fight back, and I'll show you how. Before we get into it, just a quick reminder to check with your doctor before starting any new exercise, especially if you've had any falls or joint replacements or questionable knee stories from the 70s. You know what I'm talking about? So here's the deal. When your leg strength fades, everything gets harder. Getting out of a chair, climbing stairs, getting off the toilet. Yeah, I said it. But the flip side is, if you keep those legs strong, you keep your freedom. And that's what independence really is. It's not about running marathons, just getting through your day without needing help. And that starts with movement. Okay, so we're going to use this chair. You can grab a chair that doesn't roll, doesn't recline. No lazy boy tricks today. We're going to do 3 exercises. You can do these while watching TV, waiting for coffee, or arguing with your smart speaker, because that's what they're designed for. Let's start off with the sit to stand. This one's gold. It trains you for real life, getting off the couch, out of the car, off a park bench. Try to stand without using your hands. If that's too much, use a little push, but aim to do a little less every time. And the seated knee lifts. Sit tall like someone just walked in the room and lift one knee at a time, slow and controlled, not flinging it like you dropped something. And this is your stair climbing, walking to the mailbox strength right here. Side leg lifts. This one's great for balance and hip strength. Just slide your foot out like you're nudging a cat off the footrest, gentle, firm, and confident. Your hips will thank you the next time that you have to step over a curb or reach for a dropped remote. And that's it. 3 moves, 5-ish minutes, and you've just taken a solid swipe at sarcopenia. Feel free to hit the rewind and go again, or just high-five yourself for showing up today. So how does all this fit into the bigger picture that we're talking about? Now, the seated leg workout is pulled straight from the 5BX system, a full body routine you can do in just 11 minutes a day. It's based on a legendary fitness program originally created for military pilots. It was developed with the help from top U.S. universities, and I've transformed it into a smart 11-minute routine that helps people over 60 stay active, independent, and strong at any age. Fast forward to now, and I've updated it for real people like us who want to keep moving and keep doing and keep living fully. Now let me show you all 5 of the core daily exercises in 5BX60. These clips are from my morning exercise today. We'll just show you a few reps, probably in double speeds, but you'll get the idea. Toe touches. Now loosen up those hamstrings and stretch your back. This keeps you bending forward without wincing. Now sit-ups or core crunch, whichever works best for you, strengthens your belly muscles so your spine isn't doing all the work. And the Superman pose. Lying down, lift your arms and legs like you're flying, and this wakes up your back, glutes, and posture muscles. Push-ups, do them all on the wall, the counter, or the floor. Just push, build strength in your arms, shoulders, and chest. All right, if you're feeling fired up, here is something totally fun. Join me in the Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge, and you don't need a rope. You just bounce on the balls of your feet like you're just jumping rope. Even air jumping works. Heck, even just pretending to jump, it gets things moving. Start with just a few jumps or whatever feels right for you, and then build up from there. And then, did you know though, that jump roping burns more calories per minute than running? Plus, it makes you feel like a kid again. Let me know in the comments how many jumps you hit today, and if you beat me, that is absolutely cool. I'm with you all the way. So if this helped you, hit that subscribe button. I've got more videos just like this to help you get stronger, feel better, and enjoy life more. And let's age strong, let's age proud, and let's get up tomorrow and do it again.